In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit message on Facebook Messenger. Alright, so I'm here on Facebook and the first thing I'm going to do is open up Messenger. I'll just click on the Messenger icon and that brings up all my conversations in one place. Now from here, I'm going to select the conversation where the message is located. So I'll scroll a little bit, find the chat I want and then click on it to open it up. Once it loads, I can see the full conversation with all the messages. At this point, I'm going to look for the specific message that I want to edit. I'll just scroll through the chat a bit until I find it. Once I see the message, I'm going to click on it so the options appear. Now that the message is selected, I'm looking for the three dots. So I'll go ahead and click on the three dots, and that opens up a small menu with more options for this message. From here, I'm going to click on Edit. As soon as I do that, the message becomes editable and I can now change the text directly. So I'll go ahead and update the text. I'm just typing in the new version of the message, correcting or changing whatever I need. I'll take a second to make sure everything looks right. Once that's done, the edited message is updated in the conversation. I'll pause here for a moment and look at it. And yeah, the message now shows the updated text instead of the original one. If you need to edit another message, you can just repeat the same process. Find the message, click on it, tap the three dots, choose edit and then update the text. I'll just scroll a bit here again to show how it looks after editing, and you can see the changes already applied in the chat. So that's really all there is to it. Once you open the conversation, select the message, go into the options and edit the text, your message is updated right away.